This is our 2.5 kW DC inverter MMA welder, which will enable you to obtain a professional finish in welding, or if you are just start learning welding course and want to carry out minor repairs at home. You'll not regret for choosing us. Amorphous structure transformer has better performance and durable characteristics, reducing power waste significantly. We've been putting industrial-grade technologies into this intelligent, user-friendly package. Voltage accurately matches and adjusts the current to ensure a smooth and exquisite welding process, less power consumption, and connects with 220 volts illuminating function. Besides, please feel no concern about low battery. The portable machine is equipped with 2 backup replaceable battery. You can replace it with another one directly. Advanced DC inverter with SMT control board improves the reliability of welding machine. Just plug and play. This easy-to-connect MMA welder device undergoes a strict inspection to ensure its efficiency. Built-in anti-stick welding rod, thermal state start and excellent arc stability. This welder features a easy carrying handle, compact design, easy for transportation and storage. Very convenient, can be used anywhere you need. The MMA welder is suitable for welding stainless steel, alloy steel and other metal materials. Obviously increase the welding frequency, and energy conserving result is remarkable. Apply power MOSFET as switching power supply. The voltage overload protection ensures strong adaptability for electricity network.